Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got a COOFANDY shirt. And let's open it up here. And they send them in these nice compressed packages here. And it's nice and thin. And then look what happens here. As soon as I open it up, it becomes like a thick sweatshirt, sweater feeling thing. I mean, you can see it's thick and comfy. So let's open up a couple of these buttons and we will try this on. So it's got these big buttons on it here, and I'll say it comes with an extra button if you need it. And then it comes with the little tag. Let me take the tag off. Does it say anything? Nope. Okay. And then we have the shirt. And it's inside, it's that really soft stuff there. I think it's probably polyester. Let me see. 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So it's it's soft. This feels really nice. So here is what it looks like on Neil. So this is gonna be great. So as it's starting to get cold here, I am going to still look stylish. It's really cool. It's got a cool pattern on it. Look at that. You can see it's got I guess it's blue with dots on it. I'm colorblind, so I don't know exactly which ones, but you get the idea. And the arms are good. It's got a good size to it. It's not too huge on me, but it is loose, so I could still go and eat the buffet. So that's good, and the arms are a nice feeling size. It's got a good cuff on it, but it's still got a little bit of a bushy looking feel on it here. And I'm gonna guess I probably got a large. I always get large. Let's see. I don't think it says it on there. It probably says it on the back in here. I'll take this off and look, just to make sure, because I'll tell you guys exactly what it is. Does it say there? Well, doesn't really say on here, but I'm gonna just pretty much guess that I got a large long sleeve slim fit turtleneck sweater shawl color pullover. So that's what it is. So it is a Henley style because it's got the buttons, but it's really good. And I'm sure it's a large, and I weigh about 190 pounds and I'm 5'10", so it gives you an idea of what it is. It's a super nice sweater. So this is cool. This will be good for just going out on the weekends and whatnot. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.